The Catalan Institute for Water Research, ICRA, is a CERCA centre of the Catalan government, ascribed as Research Institute to the University of Girona. ICRA headquarter is the iconic H2O building, which stands on the banks of the Oña River as it passes through the Science and Technology Park of the University of Girona. ICRA aims to achieve scientific excellence in the study of the integrated water cycle to provide global, efficient and competitive responses to the challenges posed by climate change and the sustainable use of water. Research at the ICRA is organised into three main areas. The Resources and Ecosystems area investigates continental water resources, including rivers, lakes, reservoirs and groundwater, and develops tools to understand how climate change and human activities impact the structure and functioning of aquatic ecosystems and the quality of their waters. To achieve these goals, the area applies a multidisciplinary approach, using the most advanced tools for the analysis of biodiversity and the functioning of ecosystems. The research is based on fieldwork and manipulative experimentation in the Artificial Streams Facility, a pioneering equipment in our country that mimics the functioning of river ecosystems. Innovative modelling tools are also developed to understand and predict the impacts of climate change and extreme weather events using the computational power of the Undarius supercomputer. The quality area aims to respond to problems and challenges related to water quality from a chemical and microbiological point of view, whether surface, groundwater or treated waters. To do this, cutting-edge analytical and molecular tools are used to identify and quantify chemical and biological contaminants with a high degree of accuracy and sensitivity. On the chemical side, the distribution of a wide variety of emerging contaminants, pharmaceutical waste, microplastics, and disinfection byproducts are investigated, as well as their transformation pathways, with the goal of assessing the risk that these pollutants pose to human and environmental health. From a microbiological point of view, we investigate the effects of pollution on the microbial diversity of aquatic systems, and how this pollution stimulates the spread of antibiotic resistance and microbial pathogens in the environment. The Technology and Evaluation area focuses on the urban water cycle and, especially, on how to improve the effectiveness of water treatment technologies to obtain high-quality and safer treated and drinking water. Our ultimate goal is to create effective, energy-efficient and sustainable technologies that contribute to increasing the resilience of urban water systems to the effects of climate change. To achieve these objectives, the Technology and Evaluation area carries out studies in water supply from conventional and alternative sources such as energy-sustainable desalination, wastewater treatment and management to reduce its contribution to climate change and contribute to resource recovery and the circular economy, application of innovative treatment technologies based on nature, nanomaterials and electrochemistry, and finally, the development of modelling tools to achieve advanced management of urban waters and participate in the planning of smart and sustainable cities. ICRA is an international reference centre for the study of the integrated water cycle and conducts applied research to provide efficient responses to the multiple challenges in water use and management. Water is essential for the progress of society and the health of ecosystems. And at ICRA, we work to guarantee safe water for today and tomorrow.